Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. We're going to go ahead and customize our Shopify themes. So on the left hand side, we're going to tap on Online Store and we're going to get straight into it. Over here, you will see that there is a Customize button, and this is where you actually customize your theme. So we're going to go in now to the store builder or the web builder, and over here you can see your navigation bar at the top where it says homepage, and once you click on this you can navigate through your homepage, your product pages, your collections. You can have a look at individual pages that you've actually created, blogs, blog posts, cart, checkout, and then a bunch of other stuff. So we're going to stay on the home page for now, and as you can see, this is our home page. This is our header. Okay, on the left hand side of here you can see as you're scrolling it is highlighting whatever section you're on. Again, on the left hand side you can go ahead and just tap on those appropriate options there, and it'll open up additional settings and it'll take you to that section. So you can see this is a video that's been added in, and you can now go ahead and select a video or embed it with its unique URL. If we're going out here, you can also see that there is an ad block. And if you're tapping on ad block, you're likely able to add different parts or different elements into these pages. You can also go ahead and add a section, which is basically like an entire section rather than just a feature or an element on top of a section. So you can go ahead and choose from any one of these over here. And as you can see, then this is the header, and you can add a section onto your header, which is the top section, and then also you can add a section onto your footer, which is this bottom section over here, and you can customize that fully. If you're going up to the home page now, you can also go into products, for example, and default products. This is your default product page. Now, this is what your page looks like for all of your products, except for, of course, the actual product itself. So this is being used as an example. On the left hand side, you can see again all of the elements that are inside this page, and you can go ahead now and click down, and you can actually move this according to your needs. So as I've clicked down and I've held down, I've moved it up, you can see that's where it is. All right, we can continue to move these things around so that we can fully customize the look and feel. You can also add blocks into this section, so you can add the SKU and inventory status. You can go ahead and if you do code, you can add some code in there, and we can also add some other elements which makes the table and the pages unique to your store. You can also see over here that there are related product and care instructions, so you can add this in as well. All you have to do is tap on those products, and you can see that you can customize all of the details over there. One of the other things that you must have a look at is on the left hand side you have your navigation bar, and here you have embedded apps. Now, if you've had apps that you've integrated with your Shopify store, you'll find them here, and you can toggle them on and off. Another item that is very helpful is the theme settings. Here you can change the logo, the theme colors, the text layout, as well as animations, the way your buttons look and feel, and a bunch of other details. The idea is to go through each and every one of these items, open it up, and see what settings are available so you can absolutely harness all of the features of your theme builder. Now, if you liked this video, you can go ahead and check out some other content on our channel. We've got tons of Shopify content which will help you learn and help you grow. We'll see you there. Peace.